are everything to me. No one else I'd like to see. My heart beats for you. Girl, you know it's true. Gotta let me in to share all my love.
Me and you, just like Bonnie and Clyde, is what they call us. Go together perfect and smooth, just like liquor and alcoholics. Got our own space to roam. Baby, the touch and frolic. Got your boy swagger on point, which means I'm feeling brolic. What we got is set in stone. Our love forever solid. Whatever you need, baby girl, you know your man, you got it. And if I don't have it, then you know your boy will cop it. And let the good times roll. See, girl, nothing can stop it.
Break up to make up, we at it again. We gon' lose without each other, so it's best that we win. No need to pretend, we can't just be friends. Too much history, and now love you to the end. Too much misery, I'm not accustomed to it. We could've worked it out, but you ain't do enough to do it. So why you put me through it? I guess I should've knew it. You blew it, and I guess we both outgrew it. I'm gone.
I'll never let the flame die, let it remain high. I was good but been better since we became I. And cause you're past now, it's hard to give your heart to. Part 1's done, baby, this is part 2. Starring you and me, written by you and me. Produced, directed, even edited by you and me. So when you ready, lights, camera, action. Just give 100% and not a fraction less.
You are everything to me. No one else I'd like to see. My heart beats for you. Girl, you know it's true. Gotta let me in to share all my love.